Te whaftai la whanua, tu ina mai a tia o ni tia au. Te whai e se uku o la te ri ia, te loa o lava ni. Mai le fo na lavi, tu le a o tu lai. Whai se uku o la te ri ia. Dai au, o abela whanua i le tu o le tia au. Wala le se nono na au te tai i tātou te nei whai ngā futa mai. I le nei tai au, o te whawhiwa i tuai, i le manu ma le lasi o whaina, poto mai i nei tai au. Nei mai se lawe a whaina rena i a le tu. O tātou ngā futa i nei tai au, o te tautala i nei tai au, o le atari i lea. Te le wha umi fo i wā o tātou e anu ki tei. Tātou e Tele o te whita tala i mo se o atahia. Ka o te mani mo fo i tele a o si o fia ki ua si o fia mai tātou. I o toi ngā tangata i Iosefa. O Iosefa. I na mama futanga na Iosefa i tukutuku ai. I o le sikisira puritini. O se na te maa. Na se na tina mo i whanau mai e na nangi ne. Mari di uma, o sawa ni tona le, o fai moina, o le step mother, o to step in to take the role of a parent, of a mother. O fai mo, le sa na no out, tau fai ane sili mo for the Samoan speaking friends. So I stepped in as a stepmother. Iosefa in his growing up, is a very loving kid, a very funny kid. In so many ways, Iosefa can be a comedian, Iosefa can be a singer. If I tell Sefa, vacuum the house, please. Sefa will start singing from starting to end. And next door will say, is that Sefa singing? I said, that's Sefa. I said, oh, he sings so nice. O leo langa le Iosefa e so se mea lava. O Iosefa o se tanga, le te au lava ia. O se tanga whamale loto. Le hui am ta whawali Iosefa. Although he in and out, but in my heart, Iosefa is my favorite. Out of my 4 boys, Iosefa is my favorite. And they know, because sometimes they say, when they talk on the phone, I say, Oaiwa, Iosefa, Oai, it's mommy's boy. But you know what it is? He is mommy's boy. In the 33 years I've lived with Joe, he never even once answered me back. I know he hurts a lot when I tell him off. He never once in the 33 years answered me back. Lama Ben, Adrian, I can see him, but he says no. And Iosefa goes to jail partly. Josie, you are not going to see Joe. I said, why? Because that's why it's like that, because, but in my heart, this is something that I got from the old man, Pastor Eseta Sione, the old man. No, once upon, Jeff, can I borrow your name, Jeff? There was a point in time for Jeff's life that, like Iosefa, he was running around mad, crazy. And I know Pastor Lamolamo in the younger days used to chase Jeff around the car park, trying to slow him down, and he would drag Jeff into the car. And I remember my husband, gone, war and violent. This is why Jeff is like this to the old man, because you spoiled him, because you've got. You know what the old man says. You know why I spoiled him? because I know I don't think I'll see Jeff in heaven. That's why I have to do the best I can to be a father, because I know maybe I won't see him in heaven. And that was in my heart too. I can love him unconditionally, because I know maybe, only God knows, maybe I see him or not see him. I have the chance to love him, to nurture him, and to be there for him. And I won't say much because I don't think it's going to need to me. Laat te zien of je oma Iosefa, o Iosefa, via ye tangata oma, ele whainonga tangata. Iosefa, he has this charisma that draws people to him. You know that if we drive down the road and our car would go down the road near my husband then, and hi Joe, it's a man. Hi Joe, it's a woman. Hi Joe, it's a boy, a girl. They're all my friends, man. They're all my friends. They're very loving boys, they're very loving kids. And I know you're all missing. To those who are here, I think a lot of them came to my house, and I appreciate it. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I thank you so much. But this one thing I will say to you again. I told you that night when you came that the choices you make, good choices, bad choices, the same consequences you get. You choose to live good, you will be a very good citizenship for not only this earth, but the earth to come. So I encourage you, if you're a good youth, good person, keep doing that. Stay on that path. And if you're not so good, still running around like Iosefa, stop it. Stop now. Because you know what? Death don't care about you, whether you're young or old. It just knocks on your door. You're the next one on my list. So I don't think you want death to knock on your door. I think you want Jesus to knock on your heart, to knock on your doors. Oh, Iosefa, Titi umon sa ilay. Iosefa te whawai, te whiu e vi, mufu te be me lang telefon. Tasi ana te maua Iosefa. Iosefa, text bro, Iosefa. Sa we ave out for the night. 1 minute. Mom, how are you? Where are you? What's wrong, Mom? Where, Iosefa. O le nai la vete maua la telefon. Langa te le vidi me ya. La me sector. Please, Mom, don't do that again, please. I said, Tamalia, if the molimau, it's your father, and Julian. I didn't tell me that I said, I don't fight. Who tried to report? Oh, now, me, I'm so sorry, really, Iosefa. Jali me said, I said, Iosefa, come, take me to the hospital. Iosefa came, Iosefa hadn't got any license, but I can't drive now, but I gotta get to the hospital. And Iosefa came, what's wrong, Mom? You know, my house, the driveway goes down the hill. He carried me all the way to the car. And he said, Mom, please pray that the police stay away from the road. I'm going to take you to the back roads, to the hospital, but you need to pray to take the cops away from the road. And I did. We got there. He said, thank you, Mom, for praying. Oh, these are the things that I can never forget. It will still be in my heart. It hasn't sunk in yet that he's gone, but I know he's gone. But I pray the Lord in my mind in this last moment. I was thinking, I hope he was thinking about God in this last moment. Because of the molimau I said, tell to follow him. Look what he ate to act in my feeling. Thank you, Mom, for praying for me. You know, my other 3 boys, I know we're safe because your prayers. O le alufa tulo le tua le won't last. Please, about it. I tell them, you know, you run around doing this, doing that. But one day, one day, it's a young it's a auto no helium time. Last year, I only had to Matway, Famaro, Lava, Finarena, Yalentua, so Stascava, Sasse, Eliateli, Total, Sabat, Lofa Famana, we for Sahara, Lofa Yati, the family Yat, Yat Ulto, Lofa to that, then we sit in 5 days or more, not 5 days. Lawa ang umitatay, maramata si ulawa, o ti whaataya tu lawa no ngana na ulawa, ia le tua ni whaamia te le tua. O e me kitalo mai, o se leni, o i o whala au, o le malu whaatate mo sunga ma alo o maua mo whaawena na la whina wena, o le atali i a maisi o fufanga uma, e le lofa le tua mai whaawena. Io le ukurando tua ni taya jeli no te fita tala ia o te ranga fo i tato tala ia le tua le taya o whanu le jeli la ono o Yesu. Amen.
As soon as you guys spend a lot of time together, that increases your love, that increases more knowledge about your partner, and the more you are in love that you're with your partner, can you all say amen? And this is why I want to share with every one of us in this building, this sermon or word of encouragement is no longer used for our brother Joseph, but it's useful for everyone that is breathing and that is living today. There's a difference between knowing God and really knowing God. I can say, and I believe, that everyone in this earth believes in God, knows God. But not many people on this world really knows God. So the God that I know that Joseph knows, you know, there are some points that we must understand that how well do we must know God. Whamaruru atu i mea tātou au matua po tātou e kāresi o te roa tene au tanu tātou mawhtangu nei taia. O rea tama whai e whauhare i mana whaaperetanu. Ina ia o ngā whe au nei taia. E re ngata mo i tātou, a meise mo tātou au tanu. And this is the reason why I want to emphasize, ia matua, really know God. Joseph's God. And I'm telling you, and I can, everyone, just like what the preacher said last night, you have that freedom of choice. You have that decision, and that's one thing that God allows with every one of us, is that freedom of choice and decision that we make. Does not go by force, but He has given us His word as a reminder and the path that we must take. You know, it's so sad, the passing of Joseph. A lot of people that is close to Joseph, when they shocked about the news of our brother Joseph had been passed away, and they realized the importance of knowing God. Tō tere tangata, e wheua e rahunga atu, le tāhua le mawhitanga maretua, tāhua le tausi maustaki le whinangaro retua. I think the time of our own maustaki le satu ame. But just when death comes, then they realize God. This year, we're not talking about one, we're not talking about two, we're talking about 3 of young souls that has been built this word in the past, have been called by God.
mo.